This is the 2022 Lamborghini Aventador LP 780-4 Ultimae, the last of its kind. And when I say last, I mean it. This is the final send-off for Lamborghini's naturally aspirated V12, so let's break it down. Underneath all that carbon fiber sits a 6.5-liter V12, 48 valves, port fuel injection, and enough power to rearrange your insides. We're talking 769 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 531 pound-feet of torque at 6,750 RPM. All of that gets funneled through a 7-speed automated manual straight to all four wheels. This thing moves 0 to 60 in just 2.7 seconds, 100 miles per hour in under 6, and a top speed of, get ready, 221 miles per hour. Yeah, it's that fast. But let's be honest, it's not just about speed. Look at the presence this thing has. A 106.3-inch wheelbase, 191.7 inches long, 82.6 inches wide, and sitting a ridiculous 44.7 inches tall. It's practically a fighter jet for the road. It's got some weight to it too, 3,800 pounds to be exact. And while it feels solid and planted, don't expect much practicality. Fuel economy though, well, let's just say you're paying for speed, not efficiency. 11 miles per gallon combined, 9 in the city, 16 on the highway. But with that engine note ringing in your ears, who cares about miles per gallon? And the price? $507,353. Yeah, $500,000. But when you think about what you're getting, the final Lamborghini V12, 769 horses under the hood, and one of the most iconic designs in supercar history, it all starts to make sense. The 2022 Aventador LP 780-4 Ultimae is the definition of going out with a bang. Lamborghini's final ode to the V12, brutal, beautiful, and completely unhinged.